हेलो एवरीवन। अभी हम कर रहे हैं कंप्यूटर क्वेश्चंस की एक सीरीज जिसका ये पार्ट 7 है। इसमें हम करेंगे 301 से लेकर 350 तक के क्वेश्चंस। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। मनी ट्रांसफर थ्रू मोबाइल इज कॉल्ड IMPS। कैशे मेमोरी वर्क्स ऑन द प्रिंसिपल ऑफ लोकेलिटी ऑफ रेफरेंस। विच डिवाइस इज यूज्ड इन नेटवर्क लेयर्स? राउटर। हु इन्वेंटेड द कंप्यूटर माउस? डॉगलस एंगलबर्ट। USB is what type of storage device? Secondary. All forms of ROMs are also known as firmware. The simplest CPU scheduling algorithm is FCFS scheduling algorithm. The telephone line is connected through the computer modern. तो टेलीफोन लाइन जो है वो कंप्यूटर से मॉडर्न के थ्रू कनेक्ट होता है. इन कंप्यूटर सिस्टम विच डिवाइस इज फंक्शनली अपोजिट ऑफ कीबोर्ड? प्रिंटर. ये अपोजिट कैसे है? कीबोर्ड जो है वो इनपुट डिवाइस है, वेयर एज प्रिंटर जो है वो आउटपुट डिवाइस है. The process of writing on an optical disc is called burning. The second most used language in the World Wide Web is Chinese. Which method of heat transfer? Convection. So convection is a method through which heat is transferred. Small and cheap computers built into several home appliances are of which type? Microcomputers. What is the process of defining tables called? Index definition. Which is an impact printer? Daisy wheel printers. Different computers are connected to a LAN by a cable and a interface card. The monitor of a computer is an output device. The time between program input and output is called execution time. Speed of processor chip is measured in megahertz. ENIAC was an electronic computer. A place through which data can enter or leave a computer is called port. A parallel port is most often used by a printer. Where was India's first computer installed? Indian Statistical Institute, Calcutta. What helps in remote logging? Telnet. Double is a primitive data type. Most of the computers available today are fourth generation computers. Direct access of file is also known as random access. What is required to boost a computer? Operating system. What manages the computer resources? Programs. Related to computers, what is wetware? Human brain. What uses the spawn mechanism to duplicate itself? War. Where in India's supercomputer Param located? Pune. A translator for the assembly language to machine language is assembler. The alignment of beginning and the end of lines is referred to as justification. Synonym of internet is cyberspace. Icons are picture commands. A bug in a program is an error. Where does a computer add? Computer and shuffle data, CPU chip. Windows 98 is basically an operating system. The information in EEPROM is erased by using electrical signals. The technology used in the electronic printer are called microtechnology. What is used to identify whether a data word has an odd or even number? Parity bit. The computer executes program in sequence of fetch, decode, execute. A floppy disk can store 1.44 MB. The rate at which scanning is repeated in CRT is called refresh rate. The waste generated by end-life personal computer is known as e-waste or electronic waste. Which one is an optical device? Disk, superdisk. The database in which records are organized in tree-like structure is hierarchical database. In any spreadsheet, the address of first cell is A1. What is the process of defining tables called? Data definition. तो यहाँ हमने कंप्लीट किया पार्ट 7. अब हम करेंगे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में पार्ट 8. तो चैनल के साथ बने रहिए. थैंक यू सो मच.